Imagine your most trusted tools turning against you, becoming weapons in the hands of cybercriminals. That's exactly what's happening with Axios, a popular HTTP client, and Microsoft's Direct Send feature, which are now being exploited to launch devastating phishing attacks. But here's where it gets controversial. While these tools are legitimate and widely used, their misuse highlights a dangerous gap in our cybersecurity defenses. One that traditional measures are struggling to address. According to a recent report by ReliaQuest, threat actors are leveraging Axios in conjunction with Microsoft's Direct Send to create a highly efficient attack pipeline. The numbers are staggering. Axios user agent activity skyrocketed by 241% from June to August 2025, far outpacing the 85% growth of all other flagged user agents combined. Out of 32 flagged user agents, Axios accounted for nearly 24.44% of all activity. This isn't the first time Axios has been flagged for abuse. Proofpoint raised alarms back in January 2025, detailing campaigns where HTTP clients were used to conduct account takeover (ATO) attacks on Microsoft 365 environments. ReliaQuest notes that while there's no evidence linking these incidents, Axios's versatility makes it a go-to tool for threat actors of all skill levels. And this is the part most people miss. Microsoft's Direct Send feature, designed to streamline email delivery, is being weaponized to spoof trusted users and distribute phishing emails. By pairing Axios with Direct Send, attackers achieve a staggering 70% success rate, bypassing secure gateways with unparalleled efficiency. These attacks don't just stop at executives in finance, healthcare, or manufacturing. They're expanding to target everyone. ReliaQuest calls this approach a game changer, enabling attackers to scale phishing operations while evading traditional defenses. Here's how it works. Axios intercepts, modifies, and replays HTTP requests, allowing attackers to capture session tokens or multi-factor authentication (MFA) codes in real time. They also exploit SAS tokens in Azure authentication workflows to access sensitive resources. The result? A blind spot that lets attackers bypass MFA, hijack sessions, and automate phishing workflows. To make matters worse, attackers use compensation-themed lures in PDF documents containing malicious QR codes that lead to fake Microsoft Outlook login pages. Some of these pages are even hosted on Google Firebase, leveraging its reputation to evade detection. Here's the kicker. Axios's widespread use in enterprise and developer environments helps attackers blend into normal traffic, making detection even harder. To combat this, organizations are advised to secure or disable Direct Send, implement anti-spoofing policies, train employees, and block suspicious domains. But is that enough? Axios's ability to manipulate authentication workflows and replay HTTP requests makes it a critical component in the rising success of Direct Send phishing campaigns. Traditional defenses are ill-equipped to handle this level of sophistication. If you think this is isolated, think again. Mimecast recently uncovered a large-scale credential harvesting campaign targeting hospitality professionals by impersonating platforms like Expedia Partner Central and Cloudbeds. Meanwhile, a new phishing-as-a-service (FaaS) offering called Salty2FA is stealing Microsoft login credentials and bypassing MFA using 6 different methods: SMS, authenticator apps, phone calls, push notifications, backup codes, and hardware tokens. Salty2FA employs advanced tactics like Cloudflare Turnstile verification, geofencing, and IP filtering to evade detection and complicate analysis. Its dynamic branding functionality even customizes fraudulent login interfaces based on the victim's email domain, blurring the line between legitimate and malicious traffic. Here's the burning question. As phishing attacks evolve into enterprise-grade operations, are our defenses keeping pace? Or are we one step behind, leaving organizations vulnerable to increasingly sophisticated threats? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this eye-opening, Follow us on Google News, Twitter, and LinkedIn for more exclusive insights.